Hey guys, this is Asad Yaqub and we have started our journey. A fantastic journey. Actually, we are going to go to the mountains to discover the new secrets of IELTS. Along with me, we have Shumaila, Mustain, and Yasin. Okay, so we are just going to take you to the mountains, rivers, beautiful valleys. We are going to do hiking and we are going to discover the new secrets to IELTS. So you got to be with us, and we can just show you. This is just lay-by area where we stopped for some time, and you got to be with us. We are going to show you a lot of videos. This is beautiful Pakistan. We are on motorway, and definitely you are going to enjoy with us. We're going to show you everything with the eye of camera. Stay tuned and keep watching all the videos. See you soon. We are enjoying music, long drive, and very soon we are going to reach the mountain area. Mustain, what do you say?
It's very nice. I'm enjoying the summer.
Okay, and Yasin is just quiet. Yasin को हम कहते हैं मिट्टी का माधु, बोलता नहीं है. Hello. अच्छा जी, अब ये किसका फेवरेट गाना लगा हुआ है?
किसी का भी नहीं. मेरा.
ओके. हम लोग सफर कर रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. इस्माइला बाहर भी दिखा दे सारा. ये देखिए, मैं अब इसको ओवरटेक करने लगा हूँ. देखो ने बार कड्डी है. ये पता नहीं किहो जे लोग ने. एंजॉय मार रहे हैं, चिल मार रहे हैं. I love long drive. I really enjoy. See you soon.